Pressing pretty hard now. Go like 20 times. Jiggling the app so you can see when they stop. Oh. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it'll take a bunch. Alright, there we go. I'm trying to go to the home page. There we are. Let's try waking it up. First time. I guess we're back. We saw that first one was like 20 times. It will happen. Oh, there we go. We missed one. 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 We have something to do with the charger. Nothing, and you can hear it. Missed one there. Missed it. No. Why'd I wake it up? Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Watch, I'm definitely pressing it. Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. See, it's a little frustrating. Let me try holding it, maybe. You can still hear it. That was a whole bunch of times right there to make this happen. So what do you say? New iPad?